Why are you on Instagram for free?
Yo, what's up, IG? What's up, what's up? Y'all already know when I get on live, I'm gonna talk that talk. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to share this live with at least 10 people. With at least 10 people. If you know someone that has an Instagram and they're not making $5,000 a month off their Instagram every single month, then they need to hear this. They need to hear this. Because the problem is a lot of you think that the only people that are making money off of Instagram are the people that have 100K followers, the people who have these big successful businesses. When in reality, every single one of you guys can be making $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month off of Instagram. But the problem is you guys don't know the hacks. You guys don't know the secrets. You guys don't have the tools. And that's what I want to do. I want to give you guys the tools and the systems on this live, so when you leave off of this live, you can right now start making money on Instagram. Bro, I need you for a mentorship. What's going on? I need a one-on-one. Shoot me a DM. I'm now mentoring again. I'm now coaching again. So definitely shoot me a DM so I can figure out what you need and we can figure out, how we can move forward with that. But let's just talk about this. Let's just talk about how to make $5,000 a month on Instagram. See, here's the thing. I have multiple businesses, right? And I have businesses that you will never see me post, right? Because that product, that service might not be good for a credit audience. See, 9 times out of 10, if you follow this page, you're interested in credit like content, right? But what you guys don't know is that, what if you have a good product or service? It might not be good for your followers, but it might be good for someone else's. See, and that's when I got into the influencer marketing, right? So imagine, right? Let's say I invented, I don't know, a sex toy. Or let's say I invented, or I wanted to sell some candles or something like that. Even with no following, right? Even with no following, no business, this is what you can do, right? I'm gonna give you guys this play. This play works a lot better when you have credit, because now you don't got to spend your own money. But I'm gonna give you the play with or without credit, right? So, one service, right? One service I had was for an affiliate service, right? So pretty much every time somebody gets their credit report through my affiliate link, I get paid, right? I get paid. So let's say you're somebody, I don't have any followers, I don't know anybody. That's all the excuses y'all come up with. I don't have any followers, I don't know what I'm doing, whatever. This is what you can do. You can reach out to realtors. This is what I personally did. You can reach out to realtors, mortgage brokers, people that sell cars, and you can say, hey, if I pay you, let's say $100 up front or $500 up front, will you put this link in your bio, and will you put, at least once a week or twice a week post about my affiliate link in your bio? So let's say if you're a realtor, hey guys, if you're interested in buying a home sometime soon, make sure you click the link in my bio. You click the link in my bio, you'll be able to get your credit reports, blah, blah, blah. So let's say I'm paying that realtor $100, $500, whatever a month to do that. Based on their traffic, if this is a realtor that has a lot of followers, a lot of engagement, I'm going to double my money back. See, you can literally treat influencer accounts like real estate. I have some influencers, their accounts bring me $100 a month profit. I have some influencers, their page brings me back $1,000 profit. But what you guys have to realize is, people that have a lot of followers, you guys need to learn how to leverage them. You don't need a bunch of followers. You don't need a bunch of followers. If you have the right product or service, right, you can pay somebody to do all the promoting and the marketing. And then you collect all the bread. You collect all the money. And it can go the same way, the same thing around for white labeling services. White labeling services. A lot of y'all, I don't know what type of business to start. I don't know what type of business to start. Okay, let's start with, okay, what do people need? People need websites. People need graphics. People need, virtual assistants, etc. So then another thing you can do, making money on social media with no following, $5,000 a month. What you can do is you can go to business pages. You go to pages that like for example, let's say I wanted to make a website for people who own credit repair companies, right? So I want to make a website for people who own credit repair companies. And let's say I don't know shit about making websites. I don't know shit about doing nothing. What you can do is you can go on Fiverr. You can go on Fiverr. You can find somebody that makes websites, negotiate a flat price with them. Now you got an employee that's going to be able to make your websites, for the cheap. Then what you can do is you can DM multiple businesses, credit repair businesses, realtors, etc., and say, hey, we build websites for people, yada yada yada. We'll only build your website for, let's say for example, you have someone on Fiverr that will build the website for, let's say $50 or let's say $100, right? What you can do is you can tell the customer, hey, I charge $500 to build websites, but we also do payment plans. And if you do at least $100 up front, we'll build your website up and you can just pay us $50 a month, whatever. So now check this out, right? The person pays you $200 up front. You just paid off your website person. You just made $100. Now the person's going to pay you the rest as residual income. And guess what? Some will pay you all the money, some will not. But guess what? That first payment covered your expenses and you made a profit. And you didn't do any work. So let's just do the math, right? If you DM 100 people a week and only 1% of them get a service or a product for you where you're not providing the service, you're middlemaning it. Same thing with the product. Now you're making money on social media without a bunch of followers, without, having all this engagement, because now you're able to provide an effective and a valuable service at a good price, and you're able to deliver value. You see, that's how I got started in credit repair, man. Like when I first got started in credit repair, I didn't know everything. I didn't know how to get repos off. I didn't know how to get student loans off. So what I did was I found someone who did know how to get it off, right? I will negotiate one price with them, and then I'll go back to social media with another price. And here's the thing, you only need one person to say yes. Once you got one person to say yes, now you can scale that. If I know for a fact out of every 100 people, one person is going to say yes, then I know if I want 10 sales, I got to talk to 1,000 people. It's super simple. It's super simple. And let me tell you how you expedite this process, how you make it faster. That's how you expedite it, right? You get your motherfucking credit fixed, right? Because when you get your credit fixed, this is what you can do. Let's say you wanted to start a fucking, I don't know, I'm trying to think of a product. I'm using services, so let's say we think of a product. Let's say you want to start a traveling pillow business, right? I see these real cool travel pillows. I think they'll be a real good product. This is what you can do. Go find all the influencers that will have a following that will want your product, right? So for me, for example, right, I fix credit, right? So who are the type of people I'm going to pay to market for me? Number one, I want to pay people who have African American following, because I know African Americans have the lowest credit score average, right? And they needed the most. However, let's say I was promoting products for a plane, like let's say a travel pillow or some type of special travel charger. I might hit up a travel influencer and pay them to do my promo. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna say, yo, put this link in your bio. Here's the promo code, whatever. You will have to invest upfront money. You will have to invest the upfront money in that person promoting your brand. But guess what? As long as you're collecting data, you're getting emails, you're getting phone numbers, you're getting stuff like that, then you could turn around and run ads and retarget You know what I'm saying? You can retarget these people off of the data you collected from the influencer. So sometimes, right, I might tell you guys, look, if you got a new product or service you want to promote, start out with giving out something for free. Because when you give out something for free, you're able to get emails, phone numbers. Now you got a text list. Now you have an email list. Now when you finally have that product that you're ready to drop, you already have a list, you already have an audience. Credit, it makes this stuff super easy. With credit, you can pay for ads. With credit, you can pay influencers. With credit, you can pay to stock up on product. So when your credit is bad, you're going to have to work 10 times harder to do the same exact things. The same exact things, right? Or even this, right? Another way to make money off of Instagram, right? No following, up to $5,000 a month. You can simply just use your credit cards to book hotel rooms and then get them rebooked on Airbnb. See, that's another way I make money. I get free hotel nights. I can't stay at every hotel every week. So what I'm gonna do is, right, I'm gonna list whatever hotels I feel I can get a nice profit margin off of on Airbnb. Then when someone books, I use my free hotel credit to make the hotel room free for me. So now a whole Airbnb 100% profit. You know, it's too easy. But listen, man, I'm going to put this whole video on my Patreon. So if you guys want to rewatch this video, definitely go subscribe to my Patreon. I do not share my lives on my page like that because Instagram is shutting me down. So definitely hop on my Patreon if you want some more of this game. But make sure you guys check out my YouTube as well. I got some content on there. And I'm going to keep dropping this. I'm going to keep coming with it. So let me know if I did a good job. DM.